This is how you kill fungus gnats in your container soil with 2 simple steps. And the #1 watering mistake that invites them right back is at the end. First, spread a 1-inch layer of horticultural sand or fine gravel across the whole surface of the soil. That simple top layer works like a barrier. The adult gnats want easy access to moist soil so they can lay eggs, and this makes that much harder for them. Cover the full surface right up to the edges of the pot, because little open patches still give them a place to settle in. Second, place yellow sticky traps just above the soil line, about 2 inches over the growing medium. These traps catch the flying adults, and that matters because every adult you catch is one less insect laying eggs in your containers. Check the traps each day and replace them when they get full. Give it about a week, and you should start seeing far less new activity. Those 2 steps work together very nicely. The barrier helps stop egg laying, and the traps cut down the adults already fluttering around your plants. Now here is the #1 mistake that brings fungus gnats right back, keeping the top 2 inches of soil too damp all the time. That is the loop you need to close if you want real relief. The adults may be annoying, but the moisture is what keeps the nursery open for the next round. Fungus gnat larvae do best in wet conditions, and many people water on habit instead of paying attention to the potting mix. A plant does not need a drink just because the calendar says so. Put your finger into the top layer and check it. Let the surface dry well before you water again. You do not need the top to stay soggy to keep a plant healthy. In fact, roots need air as much as they need water, and a soil mix that gets a chance to breathe is often better for the plant. You are not trying to punish the plant. You are simply taking away the damp conditions the larvae count on. That is the mistake from the hook, watering too often and keeping the top layer constantly wet. If you fix that habit, the sand or gravel and the sticky traps can do their job much more effectively. Most people notice fewer adults within about 5 days, and with steady care, the cycle begins to break. Be patient, keep the surface covered, keep trapping the adults, and be thoughtful with watering. If fungus gnats depend on constantly damp container soil to keep breeding, this channel covers practical plant care and pest control you can trust every week.